Hi, this is Paul Bailey. Today we're going to talk about screen sharing. Before we get into it, let me be very clear that you only want to share your screen with people who you know personally and whom you trust. You do not want to share your screen with people over the internet or somebody that called you and asked you to share your screen if you don't know the person, because you would be opening up your entire computer to that person that you don't know. So please, keep safe if you're going to use screen sharing. Now let's talk about how to do it, shall we? Okay, let's start with the Apple logo over here in the top left corner of the screen. We're going to click that, and we're going to click System Preferences. As you can see, the System Preferences window comes up, and down here there's an icon called Sharing. If you click on that, it'll tell you what sharing options you have set right now. So for example, I have file sharing, media sharing, and printer sharing set up on my Mac. I do not have screen sharing. So if I wanted to do that, I would click that button, and you would see that it would now say Screen Sharing On. And other users can access your computer screen, and it gives an address there by looking for MacBook Pro 2 in the Finder sidebar. Okay? And I can allow access for all users, or I can allow access for administrators only. So I'm going to turn this off because I don't want my computer shared right now. And I'm going to talk a little bit about some of these other things. Like, for example, remote login. So if you're away from your computer and you want to manage it and log into it, you can do that. And remote management, you can log into your computer and control things. So with remote management, other users can manage your computer using the address that's shown here. A remote login, you can log into the computer remotely using the name that's shown there on your, and you can find this for your own computer and to your system preferences. Okay, and I'm going to unplug that one so it's not plugged in. Then let's talk about the step-by-step process involved in this. I'm going to close this for now, and I'm going to read some things to you. If you have been given permission, you can view or control the screen of another Mac on your network. On the Mac you want to share, you choose the Apple menu, System Preferences, you click Sharing, then Screen Sharing, and then note the name and the address of the Mac, which is listed on the right. You saw that earlier. When I went here, I went to System Preferences, I went to Sharing, and then if I wanted to go screen sharing, it would give me an address here. Okay? That's what you want to look for. Both computers have to have this set up if you're going to share your screen. Okay? You'll connect to the address shown, and on your Mac, you'll connect using the name, find the Finder icon in the dock to open a Finder window, and in the Location section of the sidebar, click Network, double-click the Mac that you want to share, and then click Share Screen. If no items appear in the Locations section of the sidebar, hold the pointer over the word Locations, and then click Show. Excuse me. Connect using the address in the Finder. Go to Go, connect to server, enter the address of the Mac you want to share, and then click Connect. If prompted, enter your name and password and click Sign In. If both computers are logged in using the same Apple ID, the screen sharing session starts. If they're not, you're prompted to enter the username and password of a user who is allowed screen sharing access on that computer. Or you can request permission to share the screen if the computer allows it. If someone else is already connected to a Mac as a remote user, a dialog box asks if you want to share the display with the other remote user, share display, or log on concurrently using a different user. You can access this same exact information word for word by going to the Apple page and go to talk about screen sharing, and you'll be able to download this exact thing. I'm going to give you the I will put in the comment the link to the Apple page, so you can go ahead and download this information from Apple and read it. It's not difficult to share your screen, but it's dangerous. So please do be very, very careful, because again, you are opening up everything on your computer, all of your personal information, to the person that you're allowing to share that screen. So please be very careful. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.